Welcome to Roof Truss Day. As you can see behind us here, our roof trusses are being installed. They were fabricated off-site per our engineering plans, and they are now being built and lifted by the crane out front, which we'll show you here shortly, and built on site. So this is a very pivotal point in our build. We're super excited to be in this moment, and now we can, next week call the roofing company and have our roof sealed in or weather protected.
Dried in,
so that we can now move forward with scheduling the roof and installing our windows.
super excited day. As Angie just said, trusses are finally be placed. You see there's different pitches and elevations out there. So now, next step after this, they're gonna put the plywood on the top, and then hopefully we'll have a roof, and we're moving forward. As you can see, I've been growing even white hair on my beard due to everything going on. So it's been really exciting road for all of us. Super amazing over here. So we'll show you some other stuff in a minute.